Welcome to Message Central. In Message Central, you'll do all of your one-to-one communication with your leads. This is where you can have normal text conversations just like you would from your cell phone. Okay, so let's jump in. Over here to your left is your active contacts. Now this is the list of people that you have open conversations with. From here, I can choose the different people to text with. I can also put them to sleep. What put them to sleep means is I'm going to remove them from this list. They'll go back into my contacts. They're still in your contacts list, and they're still going to receive automated texts. They're just not going to show up here in your active conversation. So if you've resolved a conversation, you're no longer in active communication with them, you can put them to sleep. Now, to text somebody, you simply click on their name. That will pull up their text conversation here that you can go through. If you have multiple numbers in the system, you can choose a different number to text them from. And you simply fill out the message just like you would from a normal cell phone. So you click send, and that's going to send the message. Now, if I want to schedule that message to go at a different time, I'm going to type out the message. I'm then going to choose the date and the time that I want that message to go out. So if I want to go out in a week, I'd select that date. I would choose the time, and I'd hit send. Now that's going to put the message into this box down here, scheduled messages. If I want to edit or delete that message, I click here. If I click the trash can, it's going to delete it. If I click the little pencil, that's going to allow me to edit that message. Okay, so if I want to delete it, just go ahead and delete it. If I want to edit it, hit yes, and it'll allow me to edit the message. Okay, now over here to the right, we have our customers' information. We also have the ability to put them to sleep here. We have the ability to turn on and off our permission to text them and our permission to email them. We can also assign the contact to a different agent in your organization right here just by clicking here. And then once I've made that change, I hit update contact, and that will assign them to the other agent. One thing to note, if you're having trouble, if you're unable to text somebody, it's usually because OK to send text messages is turned off. If you do have permission to text them, turn it on, hit update, and you'll be able to text them. Now, let's continue over here. You have emojis. You have the ability to call your lead. If I click that lead, it's going to allow me to call them, and we'll go into how to use the dialer in a separate video. I also can send a ringless voicemail here from my ringless voicemail library, and I can send an image as well. Now, if I want to view the funnels that my customer is in, I can go over here. I can see which ones they're in, which ones have been completed, and I can also start new funnels by clicking on a funnel and hitting Start Funnel. Over here, I can also see what tags have been applied. By checking here, I can also create or add tags right there. Over here, I can add notes by simply saying this is, type in whatever note you want to save on the customer and hit save, and it will put the note down here. That is it for Message Central. Very easy to use, very simple. If you want to display more contacts, that's one last thing I can show you. You can display as many as you want here that are in your active contacts. If you have any questions or need any help, obviously reach out. But that is Message Central, and